Hey, welcome back to edtech. Today I am back to my JavaScript Array Method tutorial. So this will be on method fill, that is the fill method for JavaScript arrays. So what exactly is this fill method? In this you will be filling an array with static elements at particular indexes or at default indexes. There might be two indexes. I'll show you different examples without index and with index, and then I'll be explaining. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's consider an array var names, or let's say var animals equals okay, so let's consider this array var animals with these animals: dogs, cats, monkey. Yeah, let's just consider these three. Now I want to fill this, and remember in fill method the original array is mutated. So let me perform this fill method now. Let me consider a result. So animals dot fill. What do I want to fill? I'll be inputting that name. So let me say maybe lion, right? I just say lion at the moment without any index reference. So the default, remember, is 0. The default start index is 0 and the default end index is -1, which means if I write it like this without referring an index, it will fill it throughout. So let's see. I forgot to print the result. Document.write result. Check the result. Line, line, line. Because why? Since I didn't mention the index position, the default start is 0, default end is -1, which means it will fill the static the name lion all throughout from 0 index to end. So 0, 1, 2. So from 0 until 2, it will fill it. Okay, let's say I'm just performing it on the same one. Let's say I mention an index 1. Just one index, and let's see what happens. There you go. Dogs, line, line. Why? What happens is 1 here in this particular index here, the parameter here as the index is actually referring to the start point. So that means at this position, index 1, it will start adding the lion. So dogs is at index 0, cats at index 1, right? Monkey at index 2. That's the last element here. So if I don't write the third parameter or the second index, the end point here, only the start index here, that means it will start at index 1, which is cats. So the cats will be replaced by lion, and then since I didn't write the end point, the monkey will also be replaced by that. Okay, so that's how I get lion, lion. Now let's consider another factor when I'm writing the end index. Comma, let's say 3, and then let me add, because it's too short, let me say tiger. Okay, now this means I will start adding this line at index 1, which is at cats here, and then 0, 1, 2, 3 until tiger. This is supposed to be like that, right? So let's see. So here we find the tiger remains. It's just lion, lion, and then tiger, which means it is starting at index 1 and then covers index 2. Index 3 remains the same, meaning it doesn't replace index 3. So what does it mean? It's like if the ending point is given, it is adding until there but not inclusive of the ending index. So that means until index 3 but not including index 3. This is what it means, right? Now let me consider another example. Let me add a negative index. So let's say -1, -3. So what happens? -1, -3. Dogs, cat, monkey, tiger. Usually it's supposed to be like this. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Obviously it has to be -3 is lesser than -1, as you all know. Okay, so let's have a negative index like this, -3, -1. So what happens? You get the same result. Now what's happening is, when you say -3, -1, it will work in the reverse direction. That means it will start at -3, like it will go and find -3 from the reverse direction. So -3 from the reverse is what? -1, -2, -3. -3 is cats in this case, and then -1 is tiger. So it should start from -3, which is cats, and then it should not include -1, right? It should be -3 and -1. So when you go from tiger backwards, tiger is -1, monkey is -2, cat is -3, right? So when it goes from here, it will go until -1, because -1 is the ending point, -3 is the starting. So first take out the minus numbers from the reverse direction, which means when you calculate minus number, it should be tiger is -3, monkey -2, cat -1. So reach until there. Then after that, you start adding, filling the line. So fill the cats with line, fill the monkey -2 with line. Last remains -1. You cannot do that. Why? Because it's not inclusive of the last index. So there you go. You have this effect line. So I hope you understood. This is how the fill method goes. I will be including the source code in the description below, so not to fret about it. If you still have any doubts, do mention it in the comments and I'll be too glad to explain again. So if you've not yet subscribed, do remember to like and subscribe to my channel so that you will be supporting my channel to make more such beginner tutorials for you. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.